Hello friends, this is Pramod Lodi. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with one more new video, that is maintenance of low voltage switchgear. So in this video I will explain there is 5 following steps that can be followed to done the service and maintenance of any electrical equipment like ACB or VCB. So first two steps I will explain here: cleaning and tightening, and rest 3 steps I will explain in next video. Also I would suggest you all, please write down the things which you need to clean the breaker during servicing. Also write down the tools which you need to tighten the breaker during service and maintenance. And one more thing is, friend, you can follow my YouTube channel to more video. I will come with one more new video soon. Thank you so much.